Here's Stephanie. She's trying to get her handcuffs off that she got stuck up. Let's get close enough that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, those are sexy. She's having a little bit of trouble getting them off, though.
Come on, shit handcuffs.
You see her angry face? That's an angry person.
Dude.
Oh, I guess the batteries are low, but let's try to get Stephanie on here. Ooh. She's angry. She is angry. She's being evil. Dude, that's fucking hurt. Now she's laughing hysterically. She threw up earlier today. You should have seen that. That's fucking hilarious, dude.
I was laughing and then choking and then laughing and then choking and puking and laughing and choking and puking and yeah.
It was really sweet.
Fucking handcuffs are stuck on my goddamn head. Fucking motherfucker.
Dude, this would make an awesome YouTube video.
Maybe I should put it on YouTube.
Dude, you should. This is fucking hilarious.
Piece of shit handcuffs. Never put these on unless you know they're gonna come off. It's a bitch to get them off.
We got them from an arcade. It was pretty sweet.
Yeah, I played my pretty sweet video games. I'm just kidding. I don't play video games. The bitch behind this recorded is the one that went on at a video game shop.
Oh yeah, I'm so sure.
I'm like, why do you have handcuffs in your purse? She's like, stop asking me why I got handcuffs in my purse. I know she likes to handcuff them fucking guys.
Oh yeah, I got bunny ears too. Want to see them?
Yeah, let me see them.
Okay, take them out of my purse, Stephanie.
Okay, I will, Mary. Mary Margaret!
Stephanie Marie Calcine!
Mary Margaret Williams!
Retard. Now the whole world's gonna know my fucking name, you whore!
Oh, like they're not gonna know my name. Oh, heavy.
Oh, those are so sexy, dude.
Oh, heavy. Oh, my handcuffs.
Dude, the handcuffs came off. Look at that shit. She is a free woman. Free woman. Actually, she's a free bunny, but let's go with woman.
I'm gonna put them back on, see if I can get them more.
Okay, she's being stupid and putting the handcuffs back on. Real smart person, I'm telling ya.
They're broken now.
She fucking broke my handcuffs. What the fuck, dude? She's trying to fix them. Bitch. I hope you get stuck again, you whore. No, I'm kidding. Bitch. She's not a whore.
Yep, I think I'm stuck again.
Let's watch her try to get unstuck again. This'll be fun.
Ready? Gotta put this on.
What a hoe.
Alright, ready? Here we go.
Stephanie, move your hair so we can see your beautiful face.
No. Right here. Got this hand off. Yeah.
Oh, that's the easy one, though.
This hand's a bit shit off, but hey, I think my boyfriend's calling me. No, it's just my mom. Hold on.
Oh, her mom's calling her.
Oh, oh, it's my sister. Get out of here. Hello. Yeah, what's up? No, why?
Bunny, bunny, bunny.
No, I didn't steal cigarettes from Mom. But yeah, my phone's about to die, so I'll call you later, okay? Oh, okay. I love you. Bye. It's just my dumb sister. Okay, let's get out these handcuffs now!
Oh, those are sexy.
These son of bitches can't get out of them. Where's your key at?
I don't know.
Oh, shit. Dude, we got the tree.
Oh, fuck. Oh, look at this
how
chick.
I got these off. Fucking hurt.
Let's follow.
There's a nail up here. See if I
Oh crap, I just stepped on some. What did I step? Oh, it was a cup. Look at that cup. That cup is sexy.
That cup is my cup.
Okay, we're back to the handcuffs.
Ow, bitch. They won't fucking come off.
At least you look sexy in your bunny ears.
I know.
By the way, this is Mary Williams, and she is recording this video.
Ow!
And
ow! Ow! It's too tight! Ow!
And this is Stephanie Calcine, the one crying and acting in the video. Although this is not acting, it's reality.
Oh, the bitches won't come off.
This is actually happening at a real park in our home state, Rock Falls, Illinois. She's crying now. Aww. No, I'm kidding. She doesn't cry. She's tough as nails.
Oh, sure. That's why I'm trying to get these fucking bitches off my nails.
Tough as rusty nails.
No. I seriously don't think they're coming off this time. I'd like to know how they came off last time.
Me too. They just like flew off of your hand. That was funny shit.
Maybe if I pull this screw out.
Dude, your hands just looked evil there. They were like red from the camera. It's pretty sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, this video is to be continued. Hit the shutter button.
Alright, we will see you guys later for part 2.
Peace, bitch.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Try to get these bitches off. Okay, bye.